I love the pet store. You get to see all these cool cats. You that right, big guy? You're a nice big guy, ain't you? Ah, so affectionate. Man, when I go home, Robin's gonna be sniffing me and going, where the hell I been? He's gonna look at me with a death eye. And then there's another one. Oh my goodness. You are a. Okay, okay, mister. Okay. Look at you. Oh my goodness, taking the attention away. Get the attention. Look at this. Oh, you bud. Yeah. So odd petting a cat that doesn't have like a ridiculous amount of fur.